How to stop Hisense TV from talking. First of all, get your Hisense TV remote control, then press the home button like so. That will bring you to this screen here where you want to press up to get to the top menu, then go to the right until you get to the settings cog. Click OK to open up the settings here. There you'll want to press down on the settings menu until you get to the accessibility section. Once you're on the accessibility section, click the right hand side on the direction pad, then go down to voice guide. That's going to be the thing that's making the noise. So right now you have a voice guide enabled. You'll want to go ahead and turn it off by making sure it's not ticked within the voice guide. That's what's making the noise there. If you want to keep them and not have it so loud, you can also decrease the volume. You can do a few different things within there if you really want to, but for most of you, you just want to go ahead and disable it. So just make sure that tick is off like so, and that will disable the voice assistant there. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.